So today we'll be creating our first app for tvOS. So first of all, make sure you launch Xcode by Spotlight or by Launchpad. Yes, since this app is using tvOS, it does require version 7.1 or higher. So let's start by creating a new project. All you want to do is you'll see this column. So all you have to go to is click tvOS. It's under watchOS, application framework, and library. So just tvOS and single view application. The language should be Swift. You can leave all these on. It doesn't really matter for this app. So basically this app, every time you press a button, it'll change the label's text. So we'll just save it to the documents. Oh, gotta save it somewhere else then. Let's just save. You can save it wherever you want. I just saved it in my folder. Oh. Make sure simulator device is set to 1080p. Okay. You can take this full screen. Okay, so first of all, you want to go to main.storyboard. And yes, it will feel zoomed in. Pretty big. It has to be zoomed in. You can also do command minus. But it has to be zoomed in or you can't drag and drop anything. All we need for this is three buttons. Why not? And it doesn't matter where you put them. And and a label. Let's just make this a little bigger so that so people could see it. So if you're familiar with iOS programming and watch programming, it's pretty similar to this. Yeah, mess around with the fonts, why not? To change the font, so select the label, or this arrow, show the attributes inspector, go to font, hit the T icon, go to font, then custom, change it to whatever you want. You can set to whatever you want. So now we just need to launch the assistant editor. Oh, it's loading this view. So yeah, this may take some time. Yep, I don't want to switch over there. So here, took some time, but still works. So let's drag our label. And this is an outlet, so label, and all the buttons will be actions. Why don't we just move this down so we can tell which one's button 1, button 2, and button 3. So, just for the heck of it. So now once we've inserted the label, you can double tap the label and delete all the text in there so that the user doesn't see it. You can still find it. And now add the buttons and so it's an action, remember that. And if you did do an outlet, it's okay. Just redo it with an action. So we'll call this button 1. Oh. So press something there. You shouldn't see that. Button 2, and make sure it's an action. And button 3. Again, it's an action. So connect. And now you can change the text to text 1, text. You can set to whatever you want. I'm just changing it to text 1, text 2, text 3. 3. So we got other buttons, and now we can just switch to the viewController.swift. Okay, so this is pretty easy from here. So now let's do button 1. What you have to do is you type in self, referring to the view controller, and all the code in it, dot label, dot text, and then is equal to, oh, it's equal to, then type in something here like the dot apps, and same thing for this one. Self.label.text equal to, and same for button 3. Oh. Oh, why is this not clicking? Okay, it's Xcode's a little buggy, I guess, so just be aware of that. Label.text is equal to hello, why not? After that, we'll just probably exit full screen. So this is all the code we need. So make sure your device is Apple TV. Okay, so make sure it's set to that iPhone. Now it's running. Oh yeah. You may see this error. The operation could not be completed. FPS open. Actually, just ignore that. Just rerun it. Oh yeah, let's run the remote. That's hardware and show Apple TV remote. Okay, yeah. So let's remember hold option to move up down. Let's do text 1. Cool. Text 2, Swift. And yeah, see, so it's hard for the user to get to text 3. So that's something we can easily fix though. Let's hide that. Just go over to main.storyboard and just drag and put it under. And just rerun. Oh, we got the error, just ignore it. It'll still work, so let's launch our app. See, now we can access all of these, so that's important. So yeah, so text 1, text 3, and text 2. So yeah, that's it for this app. Yeah. So that's it for this video. So yeah, and do play around with all the buttons and stuff. They'll help you. Like add, if we delete all this, add probably another view controller or text field or image view, tab bar, so mess around with that. And yeah, so do check out one of my other videos.